How to use Perplexity in VS Code. So what you're gonna do is go to your extensions over here and just search for Perplexity AI. So type that in on the little search bar for Perplexity, and you should be able to find Perplexity AI. Click on that, or you can just install it directly, but you can also make sure it's on auto update to avoid any extra stuff later on. But go ahead and do that and press on Trust Publisher and install. It's gonna go ahead and do all of it for you, but once it's installed, it's gonna automatically enable Perplexity AI as an extension for your VS Code. If you wanna go ahead and disable, there's that option. But that's pretty much how you use Perplexity AI on your VS Code. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.